Alrighty. Ooh, weird. This is the second level of an expedition, 2 and 8. Let's go. This is Bladestorm and AnvilOfWoe. I don't have any infinity mode go to Fates points because that's cheating. Don't need them anyway, build's good enough. Yeah. Okay. Shit's exploding. What's my damage up to? 194. Wow. Just to show you how much that's... So it was 194 at its peak, and you'll see once all the buffs are dropped it'll be down to 40 something. That's how crazy the buffs get. I mean, it's up again. Just looking for a few certain things. I mean, why am I picking this shit up? I don't know. Can't help myself. Yeah, I need that. Alright. Anything else? Let's go. Where's the thing? Hopefully it can finish the hunt on this level. Go on my way. Coming through. Let's go. Move. Damn, it's fun exploding things. Oh, there's a boss up already. Whoa, what's happening to my bar? Interesting. Have I screwed something up here? What is this? I feel like I'm just butting mashing at this point. Everything's just getting creamed. Damn, how these explosions, so much fun. I want that boot. Let's go. Oh, what's that? Let's get that. Whoa, trying to kill me. Got a little bit of inventory space left. Why would you want to play minions when you can play this? It doesn't make any sense, does it? I mean, this is just so much more fun. Woo, let's go. Get him away, coming through. Yeah, let's go. Get. Fuck, it's annoying. Alright. Bladestorm has this weird pathing thing sometimes. Okay, looks like the boss is up ahead. Oh, okay, let's see what we can do to him. Oh, didn't hit my button. What's going on? Okay, I kind of screwed that one up. Smack. Ha! He moved into it. You see that? Kind of fun. Let's clear this crap. Alright. Okay, that was fun. Yeah, I'll stop recording.